Alright guys, this is what it looks like. Barilla 60 seconds pasta. It looks pretty good, it looks cooked.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. Today I'm gonna do a pasta video and it's gonna be a very interesting one. I was at my local grocery store and I came across this. It's Barilla's 60 seconds pasta. This one happens to be penne pasta. It says all you do is you microwave it for 60 seconds and you have beautiful al dente pasta. So we're gonna test that and see if it turns out to be as advertised. What they say is you have to kind of separate the pasta in the pouch, which makes sense, right? And then all you do is you microwave it for 60 seconds. You tear the top off, you microwave it for 60 seconds, and you have a beautiful al dente pasta. So the sauce for this pasta I'm gonna use my favorite sauce right now, Jersey tomato sauce, and this is the spicy kind. So I'm gonna use that sauce as my base. I'm gonna add some Kerrygold garlic and herb butter. I'm gonna top it with some pecorino romano cheese, and it should be really good if the pasta turns out to be edible out of this pouch. So let's go make Barilla's 60 seconds pasta.
So I got the sauce in the pan, so I'm gonna start heating up the sauce because the pasta is only gonna take 60 seconds. So we're just gonna tear the top off. The pouch goes right into the microwave. 60 seconds. So the sauce is cooking. You're gonna add some Kerrygold garlic and herb butter, and we're gonna melt that butter into the spicy tomato sauce. You're gonna melt the butter. Pecorino Romano. Melt that into the sauce. Now we're going to add the penne. I have to tell you, it looks cooked. I'm going to mix that into the sauce. More cheese. More cheese.
Hopefully tastes good.
All right, I'm starving. I had enough of waiting. Let's try this pasta and see what it tastes.
Go in with the first bite. honestly, I can't complain. Tastes good. I know I used a really good sauce and a great cheese, and I added that Kerrygold butter. So you know the sauce is amazing, but pasta's good too. For something out of the pouch, it's really really good. I'm gonna have to compliment Barilla on a quick meal idea, but it's actually really good. You can actually make this by the time you cook the sauce. This is pasta's done. Mix it. Ready to go. So if you work all night like I do, and you're just tired and you need a quick meal, this is it. Get yourself a few of these Barilla 60 seconds pouches. Make yourself some pasta. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be delicious. This is all I got for you guys. Thank you for watching Parks and Pizza. I see you in the next video.